So we keep solving our Math GRE subject. So let me solve 53. Okay, so let me catch the picture. Okay, so 53 is asking about the contour integration. Okay, so first, so basically all we need is a residue formula. Okay. So the function f of z is equal to z minus 1, z minus 3 squared plus 3 squared. So we have this is a pole, this is a pole. And the integrand is to 0, so it's here. Okay. So the answer is just the standard residue integral, because we only have the simple pole. Luckily, right? So this is 2 pi I f of a. So the answer is 2 pi I. So now f is I should write f tilde is 1 minus 1 over z plus 3 squared. So you see. So this is 1 over 4 squared. So it's pi I over 8. Pi over 8. So 53 is the. Or okay, or you can write it as or what you like. If you like to this, you can write it as a 2 pi I residue at z equals to 1, and then you know it's a simple. The order is 1, so you just plug 1 into other parts. So the answer is D. Simple enough.